Hi friends, you are with DR Recreation. This is my new video. Today I'm going to talk about the way to use river sand for your aquarium. I'm going to explain the entire process in detail, so watch the entire video because all the steps are very important. So far, if you're not a subscriber, please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get notification about all my new videos. Okay, now we will start. First, I'm going to wash this sand using a pressurized water flow. I will increase the speed of the video to shorten the length of the video. You have to repeat this several times until you remove considerable amount of mud from your sand. Sometimes you have to repeat this for 5-6 times depending on the condition of your sand. Compared to the initial stage, now you can see the color of the water is changing. Now the first step is completed. Now I'm going to further clean the sand using a sieve. You can use a net or a sieve with very small holes. Now this is clean enough to use for the aquarium. Normally, when we add a natural substrate to the tank, we should sterilize it to avoid unnecessary problems. Um, Sometimes your substrate can bring algae or bacteria or parasite into your tank, so you better sterilize your substrate. For that, you can, uh, if you want, you can boil your sand. That is the best thing to do. And also you can use boiled water. You can pour boiled water onto the sand and keep for few hours until get it to the room temperature. But boiling is the best thing to do. Can the 100% kill uh, any unwanted bacteria or whatever in your sand. Now the sand is ready to use as a substrate for the tank. If you use sand for a planted tank, then you should use river sand because the sea sand contain salt. So salt is not a supportive thing to growth of the plants. Sometimes it can kill your plants. So if you want to use sea sand, you have to properly clean it and 100% remove the salt. Now the substrate is ready, so I can add water. I use a polythene to add water without destroying the arrangement. If you think my video is worth to learn something and also to watch this type of videos in future, please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon to get notification about all my new videos. Now I can remove the polythene sheet carefully. See the color of the water, compare with the initial stage which we start to clean the sand. You can use river sand as a substrate for your planted tank. Only thing you should add few root tabs to increase the nutrition level of the substrate. Finally, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and also don't forget to comment your ideas. Thank you very much.